Trick.
Hey you.
Say hello, brother.
Hello brother.
Iki Tibon.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello. Konnichiwa.
Got a monster inside of me. You better watch out if you ignite me. A road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me. And he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score. Never getting bored, loves the blood and gore. Always wanting more freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force departed. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped. You'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. Adrenaline pressure, it's stormy weather, lightning, thunder, pouring weather. Yo, I'm a go-getter, try to do it like me, but I do it better. I got a mind that's clever, the beast inside is competitive as ever. I'm conscious, my subconscious, an accomplice to me. I promise the darkness, I can honest believe. But don't cross me, I might lose control of the lost beast. He's locked away inside with the key controlled by fight or flight. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
What's up? In Tumpak Sewu Waterfall, air terjun Tumpak Sewu. Kali ini membawa tamu asing dari Prancis. Tuh mereka di belakang. Sedek buri wonge. Mari tak jak bahasa Jawa ya.
Pokoke ketemu maneh ngambek wong tukang luyur wong loro iki ya.
Ngluyur tok pokoke.
Ngevloge ning Tumpak Sewu. Sekian lama tidak ke sini ya.
Iya, suwe wis. Lewati persalaan pokoknya. Ini tamune marine. Iki Tibon.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello. Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Nihongo wa.
Pera.
Sip. Ngene iki iso bahasa Jepang iki wong iki. Wong Prancis pinter bahasa Jepang. Ya apa coba? Wes Pol. Tahu meneng di Jepang jare. Freddy Scarby. Edisi ngluyur maneh, mumpung ono.
Antarno anake Pak Lek iki lho.
Bule.
Les eaux aussi parce que j'ai l'air tout tellement loin. Oh, kita dulu kesel. Tapi panas serius.
Ya. This Fred. Frederick.
Hey you.
Say hello, brother.
Hello brother.
Now in Tumpak Sewu waterfall, eh?
Right.
Still just local people now.
Nice GoPro. I have one, but an old one. Euro 4, I think. I have
Ah,
a Euro 4. It's 10 or 11, 12.
I don't know, 11. Pira yun? It's not mine, him.
Okay.
Yes, 11. Paham ya, paham. Yes, panorama we can check here first, and after you can go down from here. Yeah, lot of Asian.
Tu sais que normalement, j'ai payé l'entrée.
Go up.
J'ai dit, j'ai payé pour nous. quoi.
Deret deret dereng. Sip Bang Dul. So finally, eh? Say something about what Tumpak Sewu
Amazing.
again?
Yeah.
What? Great.
Come on in. Let's go.
Panorama Tumpak Sewu. Bang Dul selaku yang ada di lokasi. Suwe gak ketemu iki.
Iya.
Sehat kan? Pedot jembatan. Alhamdulillah Bang Dul.
Alhamdulillah, mantap.
Sik lah.
Lanjut, Wit.
Nggih.
Muga kok udah nunjuk kok api.
Siap. Hey, it's good from here.
Ah, it's better.
Yes. Wait. I going down. Wait. Keep on.
Limpah lo.
Okay, go.
Can I put my drone?
Sure.
Possible?
Sure.
Ah, hello ngomong. Dah kena dicak omong. Dicak omong dengan dhewe aku.
If not cloudy, Fred, you can see the volcano right there. But it's cloudy.
I want to see it, but
Yeah, it's cloudy now.
I hope tomorrow morning won't be cloudy.
Where Bromo
Yeah.
will be clean, but cloudy in the.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
We are where are we? The close to here, right?
We straight here. There was the volcano. That's why when the explode, here.
Okay.
In 2 o'clock afternoon, like now, here is really dark.
We are like
Dark.
this is this.
Yes.
Ah
right.
yes. Putain, j'ai réussi à trouver sans le point.
Last year.
Ok. De quoi? T'as trouvé quoi? Bah là où on était sans le point bleu, il dit. I will do with my drum.
Okay. On your back or?
Yeah.
Yep.
Tu peux prendre le sac 2 secondes?
Delok runtuhane bekase Semeru. Wong-wong iki anu rada melas jare. See? Behind there is the farmer land, but now it's gone.
Yeah, the trees. So sad.
I know. If you man, I feel like what you call in English.
Yeah.
See?
Goosebumps. Goosebumps.
Yeah.
You know some people
Uh-huh.
from here?
Yeah. I have some friend here. His mom gone.
Wait a minute, guys.
Pardon? Yep, sure. Here, people grown like corn, tomato, rice field. Now it's gone. No more.
It's like
The way,
the way,
straight the way. This the volcano because it's cloudy. You cannot see.
and you can see it's green over
Yes,
there,
green.
and here it's all gray.
Yes,
So it's there is a line.
this is the line. Yeah, that's why it's kini mburine omah-omah di Curah Kobokan. Wong-wong mendeng delok rene njaluk mampir. Sik mut unggahno drone. See? There was like coconut tree. It's gone.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And this village is the limit because it's green there and
Yeah.
it's green there, so they are in the limit.
This is I don't know what God, but someone if believe something in Muslim, if we died,
Yeah.
put on the ground, right? Someone really good when he's live, put on the that side, so the volcano is not come.
Okay.
I don't. I cannot explain it to you. See? Actually, it's the window or door. What do you think?
Wow. Ah, it's
Yeah, house. So cloudy, so you cannot see the volcano.
the volcano is
Straight, there's the
right there.
yes, straight here.
Tu vois vraiment le tunnel, enfin le. Et en fait, ce qu'il m'explique, c'est que là, la petite réserve, c'est mal là-bas vers le volcan.
Many people run away, but they doesn't know where have to run because
It's
so
too late.
dark. Yeah, it's too late also, and they cannot see the way.
But when it explodes, it's too fast. You cannot
Yes,
run.
too fast.
when it's lava, it's very slow. When it's lava, you know.
Yeah, it's lava is
When it's
slow,
lava, it's
but
slow, so you can go.
what you call in English?
Yeah, it's
Which this hot?
it's a very hot wind.
Yes,
you know?
very hot wind. That's why many people is burned.
What time it was?
Happen?
Yeah.
2 o'clock.
In the morning or
Afternoon.
In the afternoon? And you didn't know anything before, like alerts? Or
No, no earthquakes, no nothing. Just doop, and after that, boom. It's dark here. Si nyuting di pelaharan Bekasi di Curah Kopuan. Mereka terenyuh delok iki delok lokasi iki. We walk that way.
D'autres qui font l'urbex.
Wes di Curah Kopuan, mbek wong-wong delok sisa-sisa. If not cloudy, you can see how the high. Can you imagine like this peak? Is it from up there?
Ah, it was on the volcano.
Yes.
C'est mal les pierres qui sont tombées du volcan.
I tried to ask them where they from. Where you from, sir? Germany. Alles good?
I'm not living here, so alles gut.
On appelle moi au début du mot.
Look, it's gone half. It's not half, more than half. Ipono, boleh bisa loro.
And it stopped because of the hill over there.
Yes.
So this village over here was
Over there is safe. Some, I don't know how many houses around here.
but it was
also
quite safe.
Yes.
But it's amazing because it seems like it's just at the limit, you know?
Yeah.
It seems it's very green, like
Yeah.
50 meters away.
Yeah. We believe like it's all from God. We say like that.
It's amazing that the limit is so.
Yeah, it's really. Yeah, I know.
You would think that it's burned here a little bit burn,
Yes.
and not burn, but it seems
Normal,
like,
right? It's like-
a wall.
Yeah,
Burn
like
or not
have
burn.
wall.
Yeah.
Tuh. Makan bolo.
Lanjut. Udah.
Makan wae makan situ tuh umai iki.
Apa durung? Spicy?
A little bit, but it's okay.
Wis pada ono sih masih mami ku.
Heureusement que elle dit pas trop spicy parce que je sais pas ce qu'elle fait.
Cek, tak lanjut, Cek. Kayak no mangkok ya.
So what?
Mangkok.
What is it?
It's the best since
I don't know what you call in English, eh.
Okay.
Pistache?
Pistache.
Apa jadi, Pak?
This?
Apa ya niku?
Coba nemen tai terong hari ini.
It's like patate.
Tofu. Et tofu.
Tahu. Tahu.
Tofu, Mas.
Tofu. Iya.
Okay.
This one.
C'est courgette. Oh. Okay, courgette. I don't know the English word.
Yeah, except I know in English.
Very tasty. And this?
Jangan kelor.
This the special one.
Jangan apa jangan kelor?
Okay.
My wife takes something fruit.
Ah, ça c'est les trucs qu'on a essayé.
Loro ayang.
And this is shrimp, right?
Loro.
Like shrimp or fish.
It's not fish, just different taste.
Thank you.
Welcome.
This is the best dishes we have since we arrived, I think.
Is it?
Yes.
Je voulais le dire, mais je voulais attendre la fin du repas.
Try.
Ah, thank you.
Anu apa? Sup. Sup kelor.
Ah, c'est bon.
How's it taste?
Very good.
Bah,
Ça,
what is it?
ça a un goût de
In
citronnelle.
English, I don't know too. But
Ça a le goût de citronnelle. C'en est peut-être d'ailleurs.
Ouais, so you have. Oh, he's so cute. Hello. His name?
Kembul.
Ambul?
Bul?
No, you have big,
Big hair.
big hair.
Mhm.
And cats everywhere, they don't like that. They are not like that.
He looks very healthy.
Yeah.
Yep.
He eat the same like us today.
Wait.
Hari bolan tidak mangan apa iki jari?
Jangan kelor, tempe tahu, terong, bek pete yang tak butuh ini. Cuma ndak doyan ae. Ya.
Konde kono ndak ono iki, bolo.
Iki pete. Oh, pete. Goreng no terong.
Tu peux me passer une chips?
Jangan kelor dulu, jangan kelor.
Wah, sampai keluwen. Kabeh. Lo kirun mang jare ngetari.
Aku wis golek bisa golek itu duitan gitu sopan atau apa. Mari ngono kirun. Jawab mak Kak wis mung. Wis mari Ron.
resto. You should open a restaurant.
Huh?
You should open a restaurant.
Hopefully next year or I don't know when.
Really?
Yeah. Too big for restaurant, small warung I think.
Small one.
Yeah.
Warung have only one or two specialties, or you can have a lot of specialties in a warung.
We can have a lot of space. Warung.
Here is a room specialty for to eat,
No,
to pray,
no.
to do
For guests.
for guests.
Yes.
C'est beau leur chambre.
So you have a room for guests, your room where you sleep, a living room,
Yes.
a kitchen,
Kitchen.
and a bathroom. So you never use it when there is no guest. You don't use it.
No, we use it when all my friends come here.
Yeah. Okay.
We sit here.
Un salon.
Because you don't want other people see inside of your house. But why?
No,
It's like
I open my door.
Daru.
Everyone can come. This is my house, small house. No air conditioner, no hot water.
I saw there was a small fish in the tub.
Oh yeah, that was
Pasti ada takon.
for clean.
Cleaning the.
Mosquito.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ada iwak tahu, no man, tinggi-tinggi.
Dans la baignoire, il y a 2-3.
Ini di batok tidak ada kabeh.
Dari mana? No mas.
Heeh.
Dari mana larang mas.
Iku apa jenenge petih di luar iku jadi.
avec la soupe.
We call here is pete. What you think taste?
Very good. Il y a des graines de porc.
Enak ayo. Apa main naik wis.
D'accord, non mais là, bon bah vas-y, je te laisse t'exprimer pour montrer, pour présenter.
Waiting.
You can put
Worst-
bone
worst-
here.
Worst it.
Bone of chicken. Come on, eat it.
Here.
Yeah.
Have you finished?
Yeah. Finish.
Kayak ngono wis. Ku tenang kowe. Dek nek dipangan, Mbak. Apa ya di?
I'm not very big and tall, but since I'm young, I'm very big eater.
Hah? Dia ngerti sampean, aku sing ngerti pokoke wis.
My friends.
Dari terongi sampean
when I was
gede-gede.
young, they thought my mother didn't give me food. You know,
I think.
always
And-
starving. Eat always. Hello.
Hello.
My brother. Older.
Hello.
Older brother.
What's your brother?
My old brother.
So you live all together in the same
Yes.
area?
Yeah. With mom.
Are you born
Dad.
here?
Yes.
In this house?
No.
No?
This still new. When I get married with my wife, after 4 years, when my son is around 4 years, I built this.
Okay.
Ah, you built it?
Yeah.
With your hands or you paid someone to?
I pay someone.
Okay.
And how
Enggak, kemarin itu
How,
mau berkumpul.
have you met together, your wife and you?
By phone.
By phone?
Yeah.
Application.
Like Tinder or something?
Now, For Indonesian people, for Java actually, we never use Tinder. Just friend give me his number
Okay.
and we video call some other and yeah, we interested.
And where she
Meet
she
each
come
other.
from?
Next town from here. Around 4 till 5 hours away.
Okay.
Moi je suis bien. Cari ya, 10 menit cari.
Iya. Bule emang jangan kelo.
Kilo bolo. Ki bolo. Bule ngakan apa
Kelor.
Ngakan kelor.
Ngronggi. Bule dojen ngronggi.
Oh, bule dujen ngronggi. Oh, karo ah.
Oh, itu tak ngronggi.
Ngakan kelor. Iki penyakit iki sing gerai iki sing gowo iki. Iki gowo.
Kelor itu kan nikmat, Bos.
Obat. Jepang obat. Kalau nggak goreng itu dari obat. Tahu nih kanjai mana? Kamu belum masuk.
Daroan ini boleh mangan.
Je le sens pas très. Je le sens plutôt observé.